foundation upon which we build our future. With these lines, I, Ada Khanna, welcome everyone in today's morning assembly. Today is a very special day as we are observing the birth anniversary of our founder mother, Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Madhok, a visionary and a true hero who felt the need of private educational institutions to cater the holistic educational needs of students in Varanasi. To begin with, I would like to call Amritesh for the morning prayer.
Mind is without fear, and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic words, where the words come out from the depth of truth, while is traveling, stretches its sounds towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the daily reserve sand of that habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country away. Amen.
Thank you, Amritesh. Now we all pay tribute to the trailblazers, our founder mother, Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Ma'am. Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Ma'am, do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Yes, these lines are true for our founder mother. Now I would like to call Abhinav for today's thought.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Abhinav Pandey. I am going to present the thought, and the thought for the day is founders aspire to create meaningful strategic solutions that make up some corner of the world, no matter how small, a better place. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinav. A hero takes steps with the vision of bringing what is beyond the eyes of a mere man into reality for them to come true. A hero opens door for the eye of a mere man to see what's inside a closed door in porch. So now I would like to call Aditi Trivedi to share ma'am's vision.
Good morning and Jai Hind. I am Aditi Trivedi from class 3B, a proud Sambeemian from Sambeem Bhagwanpur. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be achieved without hope and confidence. And so was the confidence of our founder mother, Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Madhok, who laid the foundation of this magnanimous institute, our own school, Sambeem Group of Educational Institutions. Today, on this occasion of Founders Mother Day, each Sambeem remembers her and salutes her for her outstanding thought and approach towards educating society. It was her dream to commence the first private English medium school in the city. The journey started with a small infrastructure of 2 rooms and 1 rickshaw, and herself as only multitasking person handling everything right from collecting fees to teaching students and managing each basic intricacies. She was truly a lady substance. And today, with her blessings and legacy of this impeccable approach is continued by his elder son, our own chairman sir, Dr. Deepak Madhok, and Sambeem is touching sky and adding new laurels each day. At last, on this moment of Founders Mother Day, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to our founder mother for gifting us this institution and for giving us wings to fly. I am proud to be Sambeem. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Aditi. A real visionary shows their vision request our headmistress ma'am to share her thoughts in this auspicious day.
Good morning and Jain Day students. Today we are meeting virtually to celebrate this auspicious day, that is the Founder Mother's Day. We celebrate the birth anniversary of our founder mother, Mrs. Deesh Ishrat Madhu. Children, she carried a legacy with her. Her life was full of inspiration for so many people. In small words, I will just give you some hints to learn those life lessons from her journey of her life. Let me initiate with the first and foremost thing. She was a visionary. In 1972, when no one could think of English medium school in the city of Varanasi, the traditional city of Varanasi, she was the only lady who thought of creating Sunbeam School for the students, for the children of this ancient city, Varanasi. And then she brought this idea. Today you can see we have almost 7 core schools and around 25 associate schools associated with us and running successfully in Purvanchal. She was very courageous children. In that time also she thought of creating English medium school and she ran that successfully. She was very much connected. She used to remember each and every person, each and every staff member of her team by name. People who have worked with her, they always say she was humble, she was connected, she always used to ask people how were they. And that matters. That matters. Another thing I just wanted to tell you children, she was very much confident. She knew somewhere that even if she starts this school, the number was very small. The room was only one big hall. She initiated that school. But the result you can see today. It is the result of her hard work, her dedication, and more than that, her belief. Thank you so much. Learn from her life. Do not hesitate to share your simple idea. If you feel your idea is stupid, people will laugh on it. Share it. No one knows, one day that idea becomes a wonderful idea that works in the world. Change is constant, nothing else. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for recollecting the sacrifices and relentless hard work of our founder mother